In this lesson, we will see the case sensitivity in HTML. So what does case sensitivity actually mean? Case sensitivity in a computer language means does it matter wherever typing the code with uppercase letters or lowercase letters. So will we get a different result or maybe an error if we try to type the code with an uppercase letter or lowercase letter, or maybe mixing them both? In this case, the HTML language is case insensitive language. So what does that mean? Well, it means that no matter how we will write the HTML tags, the HTML elements, wherever they will be with uppercase letters or lowercase letters, or maybe mixing them with both letters, it will still be rendered normally. So for example, if the opening tag is written with lowercase letters and the closing tag is written with uppercase letters, when we run the page will still be rendered normally. In the editor, you can see that all the tags are written with lowercase letters. Only the doc type declaration is written with uppercase letters. This is a basic structure for an HTML page. So let's write a paragraph element with a text "Hello World", and the paragraph element is written with lowercase letters. So let's run the page in the browser. As you see, here we have the "Hello World" paragraph, which is rendered normally in the page. But what if we, for example, type the opening and the closing tag of the paragraph element with an uppercase letter? So let's see the results in the browser. As you see, the paragraph is still rendered normally, so we still have the "Hello World" text. That's because the HTML language, as I said, is case insensitive language. Now let's try and mix the opening and the closing tag. The opening tag will be with uppercase letter and the closing tag will be with lowercase letter. And again, the "Hello World" text is normally rendered in the page. So even we mix the element with an uppercase or lowercase letter at the same time, it will still be rendered normally. But now let's go more deeply and let's mix all the HTML tags in the HTML document with an uppercase and lowercase letters. So we will start by typing every letter in the HTML tag in every opening and closing tag with an uppercase or lowercase letter. And let's also type the doc type declaration with lowercase letters. So now we have an HTML document with tags that are mixed with uppercase and lowercase letters. So now let's try and run the page in the browser. As you see, again, we still have the same title and the same paragraph text in the web page. So that means that even we have mixed the text with an uppercase letters and lowercase letters, the page was still rendered normally. So this means that no matter how you will type the HTML code, it will still be rendered normally. But this type of writing the code is not professional. Normally, web developers type the code with lowercase letters. So all the HTML tags are written with lowercase letters. So we don't have uppercase letters, only in the doc type declaration. This doesn't mean that you are not allowed or you can't write the text with an uppercase letter. It only means that it's not professional. As I said, web developers type the code with a lowercase letter. And you can also see that the doc type is usually written with lowercase letters. So that's all I have to say about the case sensitivity in HTML. And remember, you can write the code as you want. You can include either uppercase or lowercase letters. But the professional way web developers do is writing the code with the lowercase letters, because that way is more readable and you can type the code faster.